Hey guys, this is Ray here with you today. Today we are reviewing a new product by Kiehl's company. I am so excited. I'm sure you too. So without further ado, let's rock it. Okay, my beautiful people out there, all you know how much I'm in love with the Kiehl's products, and some of them were the game changers for me. But now we are reviewing something new in their products range. Ta-da! It is a Glow Formula Skin Hydrator. It is packed with antioxidant and it illuminates its skin. The main ingredient here is pomegranate extract. So let's jump into trying this one. My face is pre-washed now. The thing I'm gonna do, I will take my Calendula toner by Kiehl's as well, and I will wipe all over my face. Ignore this right here. I have no idea how it happened, but it is what it is. Just a scratch or something. Let's open it. And here we go. So basically the product has some tint to it. I'm gonna rub it in my hands, and as they say, I will apply it to the middle of the face. I will take one more pump to make sure that all the product spreads evenly. I mean, you guys, my skin, it looks like a glass skin, you know, the Korean style glass skin. It completely gets that vibe, that effect. I mean, you can see it on camera. And on the hands, it feels soft, and pretty much I can see the teeny tiny gilded shimmers in it, but it's not, I mean, you have to carefully look for those to find those, but I can see it with all that light. And today, since I'm going for my no makeup look, I'm gonna use my Marc Shameless foundation. If you're going for your skin but better look, this foundation is a bomb. It is everyday medium to light coverage, and I'm in love with this one. Let's contour just a teeny tiny little bit with a bronzer and then go to the highlighting. For bronzer, I'm using my Color Icon by Wet n Wild and my Sonya Kashuk 100 large powder brush. I will go for a little tiny bit of a concealer for my under eyes and a bridge of a nose. My Sonia Kashuk 149, I'm throwing on just a teeny tiny bit of a translucent powder. Mercie, hi. Even from my foundation, I mean, you can totally tell from the tip of my nose and the sides of my cheeks that my skin is still luminous. And if you want to see the same effect, make sure you're not taking a full coverage or heavy medium coverage foundation, because it will not show. It will cover it and the highlighter will not show through the illuminator. And right now I want to apply it on top of my foundation directly as a highlighter. I don't know why I can't stop putting it on. It is so beautiful. I mean, you see, it is glossy, wet highlight. It looks like a silky plum skin. this product, I forgot to mention, it smells amazing, like most of their products. The closest smell it reminds me of is their Calendula Aloe Hydrating Mask. So it smells almost identically. It is fresh and it is so cheering up. As I said, oh, I can't stop looking at myself. As I said, this is really beautiful, especially if you do not want to wear makeup. Throw this one on and you will have a glossy skin. You will have illuminated and healthy looking skin. And if you want to use it just as a highlighter, as an illuminator on top of your foundation, you totally can, and you will have this beautiful healthy radiance. So I can tell that I do love this product. It is really fun to play with. Here we are, guys, at the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching it. I really appreciate that. I've enjoyed making a review of this new Kiehl's product. Hope it was helpful. For now, I'm wishing you all a beautiful day. I love y'all, and